All right, big breaking news coming in. Pakistan terror bleeds India on one hand and Imran Khan offers quote-unquote help. Right there, the bankrupt Pakistan is offering help. They're preaching about cash transfer programs. Imran Khan's farcical tweet has come out offering to help India. That's the big story that we're tracking this afternoon. Breaking the story on India Today is my colleague Gaurav Sawant. We're going straight across to him now. Gaurav, it's a joke when you have a tweet coming out from Imran Khan offering help to India. I mean, it could not get a bigger joke than this.
Chaiti, you've said it. Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan appears seriously delusional when he offers to help India fight COVID-19 in a situation where the World Health Organization has said that Pakistan is amongst the worst hit countries. It's amongst the 10 worst hit countries when it comes to COVID-19. People in Pakistan have been hitting out at Imran Khan left, right and center. There are massive COVID-19 cases spiking. In fact, the single biggest spike in Pakistan was just last night, where 6,000 cases were reported. And Chaiti, there is serious under-reporting of COVID-19 cases in Pakistan. In such a situation where several ministers, former ministers, members of their high society, they are falling left, right and center to COVID-19. Their own judiciary is saying that more steps need to be taken. The World Health Organization has advised them to implement a lockdown. And Chief Minister of Sindh has said, I cannot implement a lockdown because people are not following it. The Mullah Brigade is hitting out at the government, not letting them lock down, all of that. And he offers to help India with direct benefit transfer scheme that he says has been very successful in Pakistan.
And just look at this, they're bankrupt themselves and they're preaching this country, India, about cash transfer programs when they're themselves bleeding India high and dry.
You're absolutely right, Chaiti. The situation does appear to be extremely grim within Pakistan. So there are only two ways to look at it. Either Imran Khan is seriously delusional or he's using this as diversionary tactics in his own country. He is in serious trouble. Pakistan's army, Chaiti, has taken over multiple institutions. Imran Khan's popularity is on the wane. There are troubles that he's facing domestically, and perhaps that's the reason that he comes up with these absolutely bizarre tweets where he says that he will help India with direct benefit transfer scheme, which he claims is being internationally lauded, basing it on some scheme that says unless, it's only because the Indian government is helping 34% of our population with direct benefit transfers. Otherwise, those people will not be able to survive. And he says he is willing to offer his expertise.
All right, hold on right there. Gaurav Sawant getting us this breaking story first here on India Today. Now, the Indian and Chinese army officials will be continuing talks today to find a resolution.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.